Wow, it's been a long time since I've worked on you. Alright, so, old helmet, right? Paper mache. Newspapers have really died down. Now that COVID is, I don't know why it has actually, but we're gonna do duct tape instead, and not after just doing that, right? Alright, see which one looks better, right? Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so what we want to do first, right now. There you go. So, what you want to do first, right? You want to find all the loose spots, right? Right here kept popping up, right? Right here, you know? And you want to cover those first. So now once you've done that, we are going to find all the weak spots, like these corners. And we're going to just put a lot of duct tape on it to reinforce that, right? Because like, look at that. We don't want that. So now, after you got that, you want to try to find edges of, you know, tinfoil like this. Like this. Right? You just gotta cover those up. Right? And now what you're gonna do, you're just gonna cover the rest up. Right? Try to minimize it. Right? And one thing I'd want to start with the big areas. Like this. That will be really nice and easy, right? And doing the edges too. So. Okay, now that we're done with this, do this, please, for the love of God. Honor the bell, please. Just do it, it irritates me so much. It's a couple pieces of duct tape. Alright, look at that. See how much that? Just one small strip. Right? That's not going to take up much duct tape, is it? Do this. Actually, looks pretty nice, you know? A little boxier than I hoped. That's really boxy, wow. God. I might honestly cut out a piece of cardboard and put it right there. Right? Just to round out the top. I'm gonna do that. So I have this thing cut out, right? Pretty lazily cut. It's not gonna pop out much, right? The duct tape is gonna conceal that quite a lot, you know. So let's get to putting this thing on. So, oh yeah, so much better. You can actually see roundness there. Yeah, much better. Yeah, and if you want to finish up, which I am, just gonna put some stuff here to finish it off. So, now we got this done, you know, these corners, right? Let's see, right? Get all the little details, right? Anyway, that's it for tomorrow, for today's video. Tomorrow we'll be painting and, or not tomorrow. Next video we'll be painting and chin strap.